Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, high traffic and high authoritative backlink from this site. So the website name is nesson.so. So this is a website dashboard. So before they started, we can saw something about that website. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 91. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 84 and the spam score is only 2%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 185.3k traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Brazil, South Korea, Japan, India and other countries. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then you guys will create your article submission backlink on this site. So now we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. So because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So now we can start. So simply you can see this is a website URL and they can provide this URL over the description section. So you will see there is top of the right corner, there is a login button. You can click on this and you will see there you guys will add your email address and you will click on the continue button. And after that, this site will send you a verification OTP. So you guys will check your Gmail box. So I received and this is a verification OTP. So let me copy and you guys will paste it over there and you can click on the continue to login code. Once you guys can complete these things, then after that you will see that kind of interface. So simply you can ignore these things, cross this, and after that, this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Project task and the to-do list. So simply you will see, so we have already created our account on this website. So the process is the same. How we have created account, the process is the same. So there is no need to you guys will optimize your profile or anything. So simply you guys will what I did right now. So you guys will follow the same process. So whatever, okay. So now we can start. So simply you can click on the home button and you will see there is a project and the new page button. So simply you guys can click on the new page button and there you guys will add your article title. So suppose that if I wanting to create backlink, so suppose that I wanting to create article submission for this page. So because right now I don't have any fresh content, so that's why I'm doing these things. So simply there you guys will add your article title and after that you will see there is a add cover button. So from there if you wanting, so you can add your cover image over there. Okay, so right now I haven't any cover image, so I can ignore these things. And after that simply you can click on this and there is a plus button if you wanting to add any images. So with the help of plus icon, so you can scroll and you will see there is a image section. So from there you guys will start uploading your images. So suppose that, so this is my image what I wanting to add and simply I can click on this and from there you guys will start adding your article content. So let me add this one only. And you guys will optimize your headings. So if you wanting to use H2, so simply you can click on this and from there you guys will optimize your headings. Okay, and after that if you wanting to add a hyperlink with your targeted keyword, so simply you guys will select your keyword. So let me check. So do follow profile backlinks. So this is my targeted keyword. So I can copy my website URL and I can, as you will see there is a add link button. You can click on this and you guys will paste your website URL and simply you can click on the enter button. And if you're wanting to make it bold, your hyperlink keyword, hyperlink text, So simply you can select your text and you will click on this, the bold option. So with the help of these things, you guys will start optimizing your article on this site. And if you guys can publish your article on this website, so your article should be going to index on Google search data. So you will see with the help of plus icon, you will see there is multiple things. So you guys will add your text pages, our to-do list, are the headings, the table, bullet list, and the many things. So there is a multiple feature. So with the help of these options, you guys will optimize your article. And once you guys can complete your article and optimize your article, so you guys will see top of the right corner there is a share button. You can click on this button and you guys will click on the publish button. So once you guys can click on this, so simply you will see there is a publish button. You can click on this button, and once you guys can complete these things, so need to do one thing as well. So you will see there is a search engine indexing option. So this is a off, so you guys will make it on. So this should be going to index on Google search. So Google crawler are able to crawl this article. So simply you guys will make it on this option. Okay, so this is your article URL. So I can copy the article URL and I can paste it over there. So you will see this is your article landing page URL, and I can also show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you guys will see this is instant approved backlink, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink, article submission backlink on nation.site, nation.so. So this is a process for the article submission on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details of the description section. From there you guys will going to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.